Today I'm going to show you how to create this cool rolling text with Premiere Pro. To begin with, navigate here to New Item and select Black Video. Click OK. Now take this newly created video and drag and drop it to the timeline. Next, select this Type tool and add the text box on the screen. Type in the text. Select it, and then under text properties, you can choose the font. So I'm going to go with bold sample. Increase the font size here. I'll go with the 400. And then also center text right in the middle of the screen, like this. So once I do that, I can also change the appearance, change the fill color to green, click OK. So once we get to this point, the next step would be to create about 20 copies of this same line. To do that, first of all, I would recommend to navigate here to text, so you can see the number of copies we create. Then select this text, create new line, and just keep adding copies until you create roughly around 20 of them. I'm not going to count, just going to continue until we have roughly around 15 to 20 copies here. Okay. Next step, we need to navigate back to text properties, open this little wrench, and change from paragraph text to point text. Click OK. Then scroll down, and under Align and Transform, make sure you align center horizontally and align center vertically. So we position this entire text box in the middle of the screen. Scroll back up and then reduce the spacing between each line so that you have a very small space left. Something like this is enough. So by the time you get to this point, next you have to navigate to Effect Controls and then under Video, find Opacity and select this rectangular mask. Make sure you set mask feather to 0 and then adjust this little box on the preview window so that only a single line is visible. So drag these corners out like this, making sure that only a single line is visible here. Okay, so once you finish creating this mask and only a single line of this text is visible like this, next navigate to Effects and in the search bar, type in and find this effect called Directional Blur. Now drag and drop this effect on your text clip here in track 2. Now make sure your playhead sits right at the beginning of the video. Go back to Effect Controls, find Directional Blur, find Blur Length, and toggle Animation. So basically we're just adding our first keyframe right here. Make sure Blur Length is set to 10. Then expand the text options, scroll down, find Transform, Position. Now toggle Animation, add a keyframe for the position, and take this second value and adjust it until you find the very last text line of this list. So the text right now should be moving up, as you can see on the preview window. So keep rolling until you find the very last line. That's the last one. So there's nothing after. So make sure you position this last line right in the center of this box. Then take the playhead and move it out 4 seconds. 3-4 seconds should be okay. Then scroll back up. Now change blur length to 0. Scroll down. And then again under transform position, adjust this value again to find now the very first entry on this list. So we need to find the very first line of this text. So now adjust the values the other way around until we see the first entry. There you go, that's the first one. So again, make sure you align this text right in the center, so only this line is visible. So once you do that, then select both keyframes for the position, right click, go to temporal interpolation, ease in, select them again, right click, ease out. Next, you have to expand position settings, find this shape. Now take these circles and drag them to the left. You should end up with the shape like this. And once you finish that, now if you replay the clip, you should have this cool rolling text effect completed. And that's it for this tutorial, guys. So if you have any questions or you get stuck anywhere, please leave a comment and I'll be more than happy to support. Otherwise, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.